Volkswagen unveils ID.7 as its premier electric sedan, slated for release in Europe and China this fall, with a North American launch in 2024. The ID.7 offers two versions, Pro and Pro S, both equipped with a 282 horsepower electric motor. The Pro features an 82 kilowatt-hour battery with an estimated range of 382 miles, or 615 kilometers, and supports 170 kilowatt DC charging. The Pro S model boasts a 91 kilowatt-hour battery, providing an estimated 435 miles, or 700 kilometers of driving range, along with a 200 kilowatt DC charging capacity. Its drag coefficient is as low as 0.23, depending on equipment selection. The ID.7 interior features a standard augmented reality head-up display, enabling a streamlined instrument cluster displaying only essential information. The augmented reality system adjusts the perceived distance of information, such as vehicle speed, turn arrows, road markings, and speed limits. Steering wheel controls customize the HUD display. A 15-inch infotainment system occupies the dashboard center, with illuminated touch sliders for cabin temperature and audio volume control. The Travel Assist system offers adaptive cruise control and assisted lane changing, detecting speed limits and adjusting the vehicle's speed accordingly. The ID.7 showcases Volkswagen's most advanced air conditioning system since the Phaeton, featuring motorized vents and voice command capability. High-tech seating options include 14-way power-adjustable front seats, climatronic temperature control, and a massaging system with 10 air cushions. The optional panoramic sunroof employs a smart glass panel that switches between opaque and transparent via button or voice control. Volkswagen will produce the ID.7 for European and North American markets at its Emden plant in Germany, with production commencing in the latter half of the year. Pricing details have not yet been disclosed for any region. Introducing the Volkswagen ID.7, a revolutionary electric vehicle for the upper mid-size segment. Volkswagen proudly unveils the ID.7, its premier global electric model catering to the upper mid-size class. Boasting a range of up to 700 kilometers, a superior powertrain, a roomy interior, and cutting-edge technology, the ID.7 is a luxurious limousine perfect for long-distance journeys. It also marks the beginning of a new chapter for the ID family. Nearly 5 meters long, the ID.7 features an advanced, customer-centric operating system and a sophisticated appearance. The launch is scheduled for this year in Europe and China, with a North American debut in 2024. Thomas Schaefer, CEO of Volkswagen Passenger Cars, says, "The ID.7 is a crucial next step in our electric campaign. Offering outstanding comfort and impressive range, our goal is to provide the most extensive electric lineup among all European manufacturers by 2026, from entry-level models priced below €25,000 to the top-of-the-line ID.7 within the ID family. We're targeting an 80% electric vehicle market share in Europe by 2030, with a complete transition to electric production by 2033. Kai Grunitz, member of the brand board of management responsible for development, adds, "The ID.7 establishes new efficiency benchmarks based on the modular electric drive matrix. Our aim is to achieve a range of up to 700 kilometers, in compliance with WLTP standards, through exceptional aerodynamics and significant powertrain and thermal management improvements. The ID.7 is the inaugural MEB model to feature an entirely new, highly efficient drive generation. At 210 kilowatts, 286 PS, it is the most potent and high-torque electric motor in a Volkswagen ID model to date. This power variant is utilized across all battery sizes in the ID.7. The power unit was co-developed with Volkswagen Group Components in Kassel, Germany, where it is also manufactured. Optimized primarily for energy consumption, the new electric drive is expected to achieve WLTP ranges of up to 700 kilometers and charging capacities of around 200 kilowatts based on battery sizes. The ID.7 thus emphasizes its long-distance suitability for frequent drivers and fleet customers. Designed with aerodynamics in mind, the nearly 5-meter-long ID.7 features an elegant, coupe-style sloping roof that contributes to an exceptional drag coefficient of approximately 0.23, depending on equipment. The long wheelbase and short overhangs provide ample interior space for all passengers. The ID.7 introduces a new operating and display system in response to customer feedback, enhancing the user experience in key areas. Standard features include a 38-centimeter, 15-inch infotainment system screen, augmented reality head-up display, new air conditioning operating system integrated into the infotainment system, and customizable favorites buttons. Imelda Laber, member of the brand board of management for sales, marketing, and after-sales, comments, The ID.7 is an essential model for Volkswagen in Europe, China, and North America, offering an enticing package that will captivate both existing and new customers worldwide. This Volkswagen delivers premium technologies with exclusivity, top-notch comfort, and practical everyday usability. The ID.7 offers features typically found only in higher-class premium competitors, such as new massage seats and an electronically dimmable panoramic sunroof. The innovative sunroof, equipped with smart glass, transitions between opaque and transparent settings via touch control. The roof, along with many other functions in the ID.7, can be operated using natural voice commands through the new IDA voice assistant. The optional front seats are a groundbreaking development, providing adaptive seat climatronic with cooling or heating as needed and a drying function. Additionally, a massage function certified by the German Campaign for Healthier Backs is available. A 700-watt Harman Kardon sound system featuring 14 high-end speakers, including a front center speaker and a subwoofer in the trunk, delivers an immersive audio experience in this luxurious Volkswagen limousine. The ID.7 is equipped with Travel Assist with Swarm data, developed in collaboration with Cariad, Volkswagen Group's software company. This feature allows the ID.7 to take over lateral and longitudinal control when necessary. Travel Assist can also support assisted lane changes on multi-lane highways at speeds above 90 km per hour, with the driver monitoring the process, significantly reducing driving strain. For parking, the electric Volkswagen can execute various assisted maneuvers autonomously. One such feature is memory function parking for distances up to 50 meters, which the driver can monitor from inside the ID.7 or remotely via a smartphone app. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.